Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to solve one coding question, Pronic number. So given a string of random numbers, your job is to find product of the number. You are going to find the product of the number. So one is lesser and one is greater. So who is already present in the string? For instance, a Pronic number is a number which is the product of two consecutive integers. That is a number of the form n into n plus 1. So like 6 is the Pronic number. Why? 2 into 3 equals to 6. We discuss with one example. So here this is the string. What is the string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the string. Output is 2, 6, 12. Now we can see how we can get 2, 6, 12. So what is the multiplication of 1, 2? It is 2. So 2 is in this string. So I append the string here. Next 2 into 3. So what is the multiplication? 6. 6 is in this string. So you can append here. Now 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 is in this string, so you can append 12. So next 4 into 5, 20. So 20 not in the string, so we don't append. Next 5 into 6, 30. So 30 is not in the string, so we don't append. And it is end of the string and output is 2, 6, 12. So what we are doing here? So multiplication. So product of the number. So one is lesser, another one is greater. For every multiplication we are following the same rule. One is lesser, another one is greater. So who is already present in the string? That means the product, the 12 is already present in the 12. So I can append the 12 in the list. We see another input. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 not in the string. 5 into 6, 30. So 30 not in the string. 6 into 7. 6 into 7, 42. 42 not in the string. So nothing is in the list. So we can print -1. Okay. So now we can see the problem. So S equals to input. What is the S now? S equals to, we are taking this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So L equals to list of S. That means I convert this L into list. Next, this is I am using for to store the answers. To store this 2, 6, 12. Okay, this is the answer. Next, so this is the L. Starting index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For I in range of length of L minus 1. That means we can search up to here only. So what is the length? So length is 6. 6 minus 1 means 5. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5 means, range of 5 means 0 to 4. The value first is 0. For here what we are doing, every time we are pick the number. For example, I pick the number 4 and I check that the next number is 5 or not. If the next number is 5, then I can perform multiplication, and after multiplication we get some value. If this value is in this string, then I can store the number in this answer. That is the algorithm. Now we can see that. So what is the I? I equals to 0. For L of 0 plus 1. What is L of 0? 1. 1 plus 1 means it becomes 2. Equals to L of I plus 1. What is the L of I plus 1? L of 1. That equals to 2. Why we are converting the integer means that are in string format. For comparison, you can convert the string into integer. So 2 equals to 2, true. So we enter into this block. This is true. int L of I into int L of I plus 1. That means 1 into 2. A equals to 2. Now I can check that if str of A, that means the 2 I convert into the string in S. That means 2 in S or not? Yes. So ans dot append of A. What is the A? 2. 2 is appended to ans. 2 here. That's it. In next iteration, I becomes 1. I of 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1, L of 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Equals to next one also 3. It is true. So enter into this loop. L of I means 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 means 6. 6 in S. Yes. 6 in S. So append. So 6 is appended. Next iteration, I becomes 2. L of 2 plus 1. What is L of 2? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And L of I plus 1 is also 4. True. So enter into the block. L of I, that means 3 into 4. 12. A equals to 12. Now we can check that. 12 in S. 12 is in S. Yes. So append into ans. Next iteration, this becomes 3. L of 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 means 5. So next is also 5. True. Enter into this block. Find that 4 into 5. So 20. 20 in S, false. So we don't enter into this block. Next iteration, I equals to 4. L of 4 plus 1. L of 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 means 6. 6 equals to 6. Yes, it is true. Enter into the block. 4 in. So 5. Enter into the block. 5 into 6, 30. So 30 in S, false. We don't enter. The loop is completed. Print ans. What is in the ans? 2, 6, 12. So that is the output.
So now we are going to see the execution of the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, 12 is the output. Which for 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. It returns -1.